Imagine factories not of the past, but living, breathing organisms of innovation, where human ingenuity meets machine precision, creating a future once only dreamed of. This isn't science fiction. Right now, a quiet revolution is unfolding in southeast Iowa, transforming manufacturing as we know it. At its heart is Musco, a company spearheading strategic investments that are rewriting the rules of industrial production. They are building tomorrow, today. This isn't just about faster assembly lines. It's about integrating advanced technologies like AI-driven automation, IoT sensors, and predictive analytics. Factories are becoming smart, capable of self-optimization, real-time quality control, and unparalleled efficiency. Every component tells a story. But technology is only half the story. Musco is also investing heavily in a highly skilled workforce, ensuring humans and machines work in seamless synergy. This means new roles, new skills, and a manufacturing environment where creativity and problem-solving are paramount, not just repetitive tasks. The implications for Southeast Iowa are immense. This initiative promises a surge in economic growth, creating a ripple effect across the region. We're talking about a new wave of high-tech job opportunities, attracting talent and fostering a vibrant, innovative community. Southeast Iowa is becoming a blueprint for how regions can adapt to the future of industry, staying competitive on a global scale. This isn't just about progress. It's about sustainable development, building an industrial ecosystem that thrives for generations to come. From advanced robotics to a reimagined workforce, Southeast Iowa is proving that the future of manufacturing isn't just coming, it's already here. What other industries do you think are ripe for such a technological transformation? Share your thoughts in the comments below.